We're out here at West Coast Countertops replacing their park and brake cables. One of them broke and we're going to replace both of them because they're most likely equally as worn. We also did a set of hydraulic tilt cylinders for them. We do those in pairs as well. You don't want to replace one and then have the other side go bad immediately. We did an oil change, a PM service that includes oil filter, new oil, blow off the lift with our compressor, grease, top off all the fluids, and make sure everything is in safe working and operating order. If you or anybody you know needs any sort of service like this, from brake cables to simple PM service or anything in between, the major work, give us a call.